Can't stop. It's very unprofessional.
Hello and good morning. Hope all is good. Alles gut. Tout va bien. همه چیز خوب و خوش و سلامتی. Okay, let's go and review. Okay, it's turnaround Tuesday. Lots of stuff go around, and if market is not fond of what happened yesterday, things gonna change around. So far, SPY is pulling back up, and so as Nasdaq. I don't know what's gonna happen. This pre-market, anything can happen from here to the downside and becomes another short day. But I don't predict. As a strategy, we don't do that. We just play the market. So what do we have today? If you set, let me see. Comment c'est possible? Let's see what this thing gonna capture. It will capture this one. Okay. All right. There you go. So if you take a look here, I set voila. Oh, that's why I did this. It's because of these. Okay. Oh no, I'm not gonna remove the upper part. I wanna keep supporting. So we need to take a look at here. I set shooter FTC and weekly breakout. It means that this stock MDLZ, look at this, it has a shooter inside, so if today breaks, it's gonna zoom, and it is also on weekly on the downside. So this could be our main runner today, and it could be our main runner today. Let's take a look at it on let's take a look at it on DAS MDLZ. So on weekly, we're just about to break the bottom part. On daily, it's gapping up now, and it's in sidebar, but it's in gapping down now, and gapping up now, and it's gapping below S6. So normally, what I would like that this thing comes up. It's on 59. Okay, so I would like that this thing comes up, forms a 2-2 reversal, or a 2-1-2, or anything, and then it starts to drop from below VWAP, and I'm going to short it from there. That's what I would like, right? So Nvidia. There's nothing that I want to go long. So let's take a look at the one from yesterday, Daku. Yesterday at the end, yesterday I shorted here, but it stopped me out. It's tight. I'm not a fan of this stock. It should be something healthy, like one of these days. But again, we are a little bit in an indecisive situation. I don't know if it's gonna go along down or up. I'm going to remove it. It was short. It went short. Look at the second move. If I took it, it would be a beautiful move, because guess what? From here to here would be my stop, 81 cents. All right, 81 cents. But to the end of the story, it gave $2. And yeah, if I want to just make yeah, the end of day is $1.60, 2R to here. So yeah, and here I didn't make a one full R, because here I entered here and I stopped out here when it went above this line. So voila. So Daku I remove. Let me turn on the AC. Habibi. Okay. MDLZ. So we have JD. JD, yesterday I didn't trade this because I didn't like this pullback after it dropped. After it dropped, I didn't like the pullback, and then after finally it broke, I just didn't like the stock. For me, it was too weak. And look what happened. So that's what. Futu was a good long, although my initial idea was that it would be short. That's why I didn't take this long. But it was beautiful. So ExxonMobil Energy, it dropped, and I didn't take anything out of it. I would like that if it just touches the VWAP and bounces, not to just break it like this. And then for the second break, I didn't like this one. As a matter of fact, this was the break signal, but then it pulled back. I didn't like the way that it moved. So it was yesterday's break, so it's a little bit of situation. The day before yesterday, I didn't like the way that it was behaving, and then it broke eventually, and it went down good time, because if this one breaks, stop gonna be on top, and then we can see that how far it went. 18 to $1.20. 8R, 7R. Anyhow, so this is what happened all yesterday, which none of them interest me. I don't want this. Futu maybe. Zoom maybe. SQ played with me yesterday. It was my mistake. I shouldn't have read this one as short. I read it and I lost money. Yeah. Today I'm gonna just get the 100%, like the number one trades, A plus setups. Like look at BP. Look at this. Now look at this. The first touch, and look at this. The first touch. What would be this? Like stop of this 6. Well, what I'm supposed to is just 6 cents. No, it would be actually this one. 20 cents. Straight forward to 60. It went to 70, but 60. 65. Sweetheart. Sweet mother of Jesus. Here we have another one. I didn't like to go long on this stock. I didn't like to go long because it was a good signal. Here was a good signal, and what I could make was 26. Yeah, I already stop out here, but we'll see. This was another good one. It dropped down, pulled back up, sat, pull back, go in, out here. $2.60. $2. $3. Yeah, definitely on one candle. Anyhow, this would have been a good short. This was a good short. We'll see today. So now we remove from the where did the dog go? So now, one thing I'm going to do is to remove WBO, and then we check who is who. Okay, MDZ NVAX. Let me put this one aside. NVAX. Oh la la. I don't like the price action. There's no consistency. Yeah. Although it looks like a strong short today, but no. Shell. Is it the oil company? Oh shit. Yeah, it's the oil company. British multinational oil and gas company. The evil ones. Yeah. Okay. All right. So here we have. Let me disable the watch list. Maybe I put the watch list up here. Whatever I'm doing while I'm doing it. Yeah. I can do interact. Doesn't let me interact with it anyway. So so as I said, that shell looks like a good short, right? And okay, here we have XLF. Obviously. If XLF is doing this, which is financials, let's take a look at JPM. Let's take a look at C. I have C though. Visa. V. Let's take a look. V looks good though. V looks good. V JPM back. Okay, back looks good, especially look at the weekly. So this line is yesterday's last week's high. When we have crossed it already. All right, we need to go back above, so it's longable. Otherwise, we could think of start to look at the A3 if it goes back underneath here, down here. Let me just check who's who. This needs a 50%, the Fibonacci. There you go. Okay, so if you cross this line, based on the 50% rule, we can expect to get to the lower of this line. So it's more feasible that on a 2-2 continuation we go up. But the issue is that the thing is, now today in pre-market we are 2 down. So it's a 2 down on pre-market, right? And it's a little bit difficult to understand this chart, but yeah, if we look at XLF, take a look at the XLF. It's just the index that is moving doing this. So we just keep watching the index. I'm not gonna trade it. I don't like trading indexes except if it is futures. Futures. Speaking of what? Come here, you. Hello. I'm watching too much Mr. Bean. VGK. VGK is looking good. What's the volume of this thing the other day? 10 million. It's a little bit iffy, but it's smooth. Look at this. What did it do? What did the dog do? Okay, so it dropped, pulled back up. Until 10 it hasn't still moved, otherwise I would just cancel it. It's fine. So VGK EZU. It's more like calming somebody. Easy you. I don't know why I said that. So let me see what's going on here. Where is Discord? PDD. I remember PDD. Okay, obviously adding it to the list. QQ PDD MU. MU is a Chinese shit. I don't like it. Like, it moves a lot. It's a little bit funky. Look at that. It breaks, but it suddenly pulls back and then goes back out. Like, what the hell are you doing, man? This is a good long. Look at this. Look at this. Goes up. Stop is down here because this is the one that breaks. Stop is down here. 125. Are you serious? It's 1R. Shitty trade. And let me look at the short. Because this, if I'm gonna go short, yeah, this is a good short. Because if I'm gonna go short this, I need to wait this thing to go up, then pull back. I'm not gonna go short here because we need to have one close down here. And if this one, 50 cents to S4, 150, and this is more like it. Okay. Okay, now we check those that they got the nomination. Ding 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 ding. Okay. be right back. This is gold. So this dude is dancing with this girl. He wanted to take his pants off. Idiot. Idiot. Oh man, Twitter is amazing. Like there's lots of crap going on here. Nice. Nice. ExxonMobil is the only. We have two of them, ExxonMobil and Futu, that they are three actually. BHP. Okay. All right. I have like half an hour left until markets open. I need more stocks. There is no stock that goes upside today. There's not much I can find today. Okay, let me take filters off, see what we get. Oracle is still here. Oh, I'll put Oracle as well. Market gonna open in 1 minute. Alright, we'll see what happens now. It looks like market wants to pull back up at the moment. I was observing market here like 8 more in the morning candle. Oh, let me close this. We are done with making watch list. So this thing popped up, and I will, if I get any stock, I will announce it like here. XOM. Let me tweet this thing out. What else? It was food to an Oracle over. Who's this? 2 million already. BPH. Okay. I want to check to see that stocks that they have higher NATR than normal. Okay. No filter, just like 3%. Nah, ATR $2 more. Doku, JPM, NVAX, PayPal. PayPal. What the hell is doing PayPal here? Okay. Everything is fucking green. Yeah, turn around Tuesday. We'll see in a minute that what's gonna happen. Everything gonna go red. Some stocks that are already showing potential. PDD. PD is red. It should go red. EZU. Shell. Oh, it was 1L. Oh, I put 2L. Because the name of the company has 2L in it. Dummy. Today I'm not fucking around, it's just things gonna be simple, right? If it gives a good signal, it gives a good signal. If it doesn't, je sais pas. Voilà, je ne sais pas what je sais pas. Okay. That's it. PayPal. Nope. Nope. My shimmy. Let me save this thing. UAL. Since travel companies are since there is a wartime, like SQ, I don't like these alerts now. I'll not be able to capitalize on them. I'm gonna go set PayPal alert again. So as it is a wartime and there is not much of travel. Travels are being affected. Travel group is being affected, so I'm not optimistic about the longing a Futu. Going long on a travel company. So those that they went on, they are SQ. Where did it go? So we have SQ, Futu, PayPal. So these ones in next up probably 2-3 minutes, if they pull back, they could give us a good short signal, although they haven't left VWAP yet, so I might not touch them. But like this one hasn't left VWAP. Oracle is fully short. This one is good. PDD is good. So here is what we are getting. If we break lower than this, I'm gonna go short. I'll go short if we break this. We need to close below this. Who was the alert? PayPal, Oracle. C. Um, 98. I'm 10 to almost 20 cents late to this. Okay, let's see what PDD is doing. PDD we set. I took a partial already and I will set it. Okay, let me see. I will set it here. BP SQ. SQ. So SQ, look here, it looks a good short, but it didn't leave the VWAP alone, so I'm not gonna be touching it. So as Futu and Exxon Mobil, you could consider this if you want to be sloppy about it, but I'm not gonna. Nvidia. I need some water. Okay, Oracle is moving to the upside. Oracle is moving to the ups. Oracle. Okay, PDD is okay, Oracle. Oracle is moving. Okay, so now what we want that Oracle pulls back. Oracle pulls back and give us some opportunity to long at the LOD. So at the too long with the stop at LOD. What I want is to close above and okay. Here it is. SQ. So SQ I didn't like because it, you see, it's hugging the VWAP anyway. I want the separation and it's not happening. So I'm liking this drop. So I will be moving to 1 hour after the let me see this 80 cents. Is it 80 cents? Not yet. What's that? PDD. Okay. PDD. I take another 10%. Stop down here and another 10%. We take 13 shares off. Okay. Oracle. Oracle is back up. Okay, we go long Oracle. We long Oracle. PDD stop is down here, so C. I don't like that C is resisting, but there's not much I can do about it. Okay, so let's see who is who from here to up here, and then we move it to the side so we don't get disturbed with what's going on. Okay, let me know when we get here. What happened to PDD here? Oh, PDD TP out. What the heck? I'm a dummy. Let me see what happened here. Yeah, I just made 4R on. Yeah, I just made 4R on PDD. Oracle set it on positive, and in 10 cents I'm going to take 21 shares off. There you go. I need to 189, but reality is that 189. Oracle 189. Okay, next up Oracle is here. C. I don't like C. That is resisting. It could become a negative move, so I don't know. And I don't want to give back everything that I made. So if it pulls back above VWAP, I will be out. I don't need an alert. I will be fully out. So PDD dollar wise, let me see what's my control Q. $200. This is how you set your stop, eh? This is how you set your stop. So now, totally all of this depends on what this candle do for me. Okay, for me. If now at this moment we take this low out, I will be considering adding to C. Okay, so what do we have? AMCC, CCL, NHCL. Come on here. Okay, not definitely AMC. CCL. Definitely not No, definitely not CCL. NCLH. Not this one either. So we almost made 1 hour. This is not right. This is not right because I'm here. The stop is down here. Instead I have passed 1 hour. But have I? 1 hour is up here. Dude, this is so cringe. I don't know. Yeah, so see, it's rejected. Price is not accepted. The value, not price. We'll see. Maybe it just plays around and then drops down. The thing is 55.07 is above 55 level, and we are below, hovering around 50, 55, 97, 98. There are lots of shorts hitting the price at this price point. We just had a huge short, considering the rest, the other size. Number wise, now it is 1 hour. Let me check my Fibonacci configuration. Let's see now how it works. I started here, the long is up here, and stop was down here. Okay, hold on. So if you look at it from this point of view, this is my stop to down here and then to up here. Oh, there you go. So we go up to down and up to down, then let's go from stop to here, and then again again. There you go. Now it makes sense. Let me see now with the Fibonacci line. See, it's coiling, and I'm gonna get out of it. Because if it wants to crack, it should crack. It shouldn't play with me, right? Right? I'm out. Okay, now set let's Alt F. Stop down here. Reset it to open price, which was 15. Okay, there you go. So, what else did we play to the food to zoom? We could consider this. I didn't. What we could. BPH. I could consider this as a good short. Nvidia, this could be long, empty space. Lost it, missed it. Still coiling. This is shitty stock. Shell. No. Although it gave us opportunity here, it's giving us opportunity here, especially that the reality where is it? The reality is of this thing is it's not clear, right? It's short and it's taking long. That it went up, hugging, dropped, empty space, touch, drop. It could be one of those, but it's not A plus. It is what it is. It's not A plus. Vicky, this could be a good long. Now we just watch this thing to form a week out, come back down, and then I go longer. Oracle is on the move. So far, right now, I'm 2R today. So far, I'm 2R. Let me remove all of the triggered. Yes. I could go. Yeah. I just. Like, this is what it is. It is okay. If it wants to go, it will go. If it doesn't, Food to VGH. I was looking at VGH. VJK. Right, the same. Let me see what sector VJ belongs to. VJK stock. EZU. Vanguard European Stock Exchange. Ooh, didn't know that. Why the heck it fill? Order fill, auto delete, enable, auto reset my account, delete fit. Okay. EZU VJK. I need to this thing to crack pre-market high. Oh my god, look at PDD. C. Yeah, see where I was supposed to add. That is bad. So we are halfway through minus 200. So we are getting HSBC to the added to the list as well. HSBC. HSBC, right? Oh, look at this. It's off. Full barcoding mode. Oh, I love this thing to just pull back up and go up. Okay, let me see. Brush. That's what I said. But I'm not a fan of this, that this just instantly pull back under VWAP. It's bad. I'm gonna get up. See. Okay, so we are candle closed, and you will see now. I don't like that it came back under VWAP. Not at all. If it goes red, I close it. Doesn't matter what. Technical is 2 up, but who cares about technicality? Let's go up for God's sake. Like Futu taking, everyone taking both long and short out. Look at that. Oh, you think it's a short at the low? Let's go. Let me go long. Oh, it's dropping. Let me go short. Well, everyone's dead. Okay, I said if it goes red, I'm out. But I will go long again. if it goes long. But now this is a good short. Although it's a messy situation like this, the long is valid because for this we are 2 up. Also we are still inside. Technically it's a 2 down, and here we are 2 up. Red though. I'll go long this one again if it goes pull back up. We'll see. And here is my trade on C that I closed manually. You shouldn't have done that. This will be technically the first touch. Yep. We'll see. Let's see. Okay, let's see. So from here to, oh no, sorry. The stop is up here, right? So we set it to down here. We're gonna be seeing here, easy VG. And here. So what do we have? Okay, so first of all, this would be the second touch of Oracle, but I don't believe this touch. Oh, from 145 it dropped back to, okay, it's taking long. I'm setting to break even. I don't trust this move. Was my stop? I'm at 8. I sit at 6. In 4 cents I will be out. Let me just take 75 just in case. 675 just in case. Then I'm going to set this one at break even. It's taking long. It shouldn't take this long. 13.5, and also at this time I'm going to take 55 stocks, 54 stocks out, and 491, and sit as 491. Okay, S2 and stuff that are resisting, so here anything can happen from here. I don't want to see any negative, so this could reverse from here. I will set it, I will sit at 5 is good, and then here I will see that here if it goes back I won't lose much. We had a LOD, so anything can happen. Set a 9. I had a $60 stop on previous move, and now if I get out it would be all positive right now, but we'll see. Okay, actually, you know what, I'm too exposed. I'll close one to get 41, and I had the 60 that I lost because I had 9 here is 66. I'm back to positive, and we have one trade that is $44 moving around. It could any instant take me out, but yeah, there you go. That's the move. We'll see if I can resist this pullback. It will be fine. But things are going up a little bit, so I could be wicked out down here. Otherwise it's gonna be a drop because we are breaking LOD, but I don't like this. Normally when this type of small candles happen at the top or at the bottom, a big move is imminent to the reverse, to the other side. Yeah, yesterday's close was resisting too hard, so prefer to be out rather than prevent a pullback from being. This is getting out of hand. Like, this one doesn't want to go. We are lower than yesterday's close, so I don't know why it's not dropping. It broke yesterday's close. It should go. Most probably I'll be out in a sec. Two more cents. Because this can become a beginning of a big an aggressive pullback. Look at that. Look at this. One print. This 7. Yeah, 7. There you go. I'm out. Okay. 2.5 hour Pamal. I'm happy with what I did, and that will be conclusion of today. This will be the conclusion of today. How many trades did I, how many stocks I traded? This EZU was nasty, like fuck that. I'm $10 short, but with the VGR trade I'm 20 bucks up. PDD okay, no, it's not a lot. The whole thing here is account report. 5 stocks, and then easy. I mean, I shouldn't be, but I am 18. Otherwise I'll be 5. What the hell happened to EC? Break even. In 10 cents I will take a partial and set to break even. So this is what I saw. This, for me, this is still connection, and then it's a break. Above break I went in, and 89.98, 12 cents. I rather prefer to 30 short, set to break even. Almo was a little bit early. Okay, there you go. 303. And this will be my last move until it gets to, what's that, 88, 87, 89. Yeah, 80, 90. So if it drops and pulls back from here, I'm fine because I took my partial already. $3, but that's just the cost of operation. And oh, my watch time is wrong. AMD snap And hey, let me send you the photo of the card. Let me show you. Let me send you and show them. Okay. C made the second move. I will set my stop at 1R, and I didn't hear it actually. And here is why I close my trades. Look at that. Here is why. Remove this. Here is why I went in. That's true. I went in. No, that big body pulled back. So as the other one, look how exponentially is volume increasing. Look at that. Actually, I'm not using volume that much. I don't know what the heck is wrong with me. Like, it's so sophisticated. You have a pullback right below HOD, pre-HOD, and if it stays around here, I have no problem keeping the trade going on until I somehow break I break to the upside. Yeah, so, and here is right, because I went in with 60 and now we are at 69. My stop was $60. Look at this. I call this, for fuck's sake. Look, I call it. I call it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You can watch this stream and see why I did this, but basically 312 bullish continuation. Where is the trading journal? You go back. 312 bullish. What's that? Was Oracle? Yeah. Okay. Look at C going brrr. Yeah, as I said. Okay, we set here. As I said, I'm just expecting these to keep going. Where? I don't know. Okay, I'm going to take 13 more shares off. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let me take 10% off 30 shares off 33 shares off. Okay, 303 has to become 270. So got bank another 40 bucks. 33 bucks. No, 15 bucks. But that's what I do at each hour. Like, there's no way. This is the way that it is. Okay, skip ripping is gonna break the HUD. I think so. Yeah. That's the stop that EZK. That's the stop that both of these two got me out. Yes. Yes. All the yeses come up. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. PDD, eh? PDD. FTFC short, and at the time I shorted it was shorted, it was too bearish continuation. Okay, we set the stuff down here. Oh, seriously? What a rip. My face be like, what? I didn't expect this to go this good. 60. $600, $750. Okay. Who cares? Who cares? This should be this could take me out, but I don't care. We'll let it go. Let it go. Let it go. So far, I got into this trade with $60 of no. What's my stuff? 14 with $45 of risk. 13 multiply 330. It's I went into $43 of stop, and now we are at almost 200, which 180 divided by 43, it's 4R so far, and it shows 5R, but okay, shut up now. Annoying bitch. What's the VGK? Okay, let's see. Okay. So the push stopped here, so I might be careful with what's happening. 47, 57. I'm just sitting here waiting to see what's happening. Okay, now it's a time of it's a very important time to look at the chart, because look at the Look at how market formed a indecisive candle. Now, from here, two things can happen and two scenarios are accepted. First of all, let me see, VGK, what was the reason I went to 1222 rev, 22 rev, 22 rev. Two things can happen, which one of them is most probable to happen, is to this thing becomes a 22 rev like the one PDD and then it pulls back and hit my stop, or just keeps going. Let me see, my stop is up here, I don't care, most probably I will be out and it's gonna pull back down here and then reverse back up and continue going bullish for today. I'm happy that I have gotten 3R out of this trade. Yeah, you can see that it goes for 5 up, but I need to change these numbers because actually this one is 0, then it's 100, then it's 200, then it is 300, then 400, then it is 500, then 600. 600. So this would be so yeah, I close at 5R, 43, 3.4R. It needs to be done better. Anyhow, you can see how I got out quick. Okay, let me take a snapshot of this one. It is I gone in because of the to continuation 2122 22 bullish. Okay. BTC long. Aldo. All right, so that would conclude all my trades for today. Oracle, PDD, VGD. Oracle, did I tweet about Oracle today? Yeah, look at this beauty. Look at this fucking beauty. Come on, baby. CC and DE are coming in. CC is a good short. This is a good short. I'm repeating it. This is a good short. Like it. CC. DE. Ah, no. It's too long. It's gone. There is a first separation here. The second separation. This doesn't work anymore. Yeah, I'm saving this and 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 this, and you have a good one. From here, Dell, and I'm signing off. À demain.